Have you ever wondered what a massive corporate turnaround actually looks like? I mean, we're talking about a company going from a deep nine-figure loss to forecasting a record-breaking profit, all in just a few years? Well, today we're diving into the incredible story of Sumitomo Corporation's V-shaped recovery, and it really all starts with this one very powerful chart.
Okay, so just take a look at these numbers. In fiscal year 2021, Sumitomo was in the red, a staggering loss of over 125 billion yen. Fast forward just 1 year, boom, a complete 180, with a profit of nearly 288 billion yen. And they're not stopping there. The forecast for fiscal 2025 is a massive 570 billion yen. So the big question, the one we're all thinking, is how on earth did they pull that off?
All right, to really understand this comeback, we've got to pop the hood and look at both the numbers and the strategy that made it all happen. But first, let's just quickly clarify what that profit figure we just saw actually is.
So when we talk about these huge numbers, the official term is profit attributable to owners of the parent. I know, it's a mouthful. You can just think of it as net profit. It's the ultimate bottom line. You know, the money that's left over after every single bill, tax, and expense has been paid. It's the purest measure of a company's success. And for Sumitomo, that number swinging so wildly tells you something really big was changing.
So what was the secret sauce? Well, it definitely wasn't just luck. This whole turnaround was orchestrated by a super comprehensive plan they called Shift 2023. And trust me, this wasn't just some document that sat on a shelf. It was their complete blueprint for change.
And the mission statement from that plan says it all. Our goal is to build a highly profitable and resilient business portfolio. The key words there are profitable and resilient. See, they didn't just want to make a quick buck. They wanted to build a business that was tough, one that could withstand whatever the world threw at it.
The plan basically attacked the problem from 4 different angles. They got really smart about shuffling their assets, they supercharged their main businesses, they turned sustainability into a way to actually grow, and they completely reinforced their management foundation. It was, a total overhaul.
And you could see the strategy working in the numbers. This one here, 0.7x, is their debt-to-equity ratio. Just think of it like a financial health check. It compares what a company owes to what it owns. By dropping this number so much in just 1 year, Sumitomo was sending a crystal-clear signal to investors. Hey, we're more stable, we're more disciplined, and we're way less risky.
But this strategy wasn't just about moving money around. No, to really make that shift happen, Sumitomo had to fundamentally reorganize its entire company structure to line up with its new priorities and just, the way the business world is heading.
And you can see that change right here in black and white. On the left is the old way of doing things, kind of broad, general buckets. On the right is the new structure. You can see it's way more specific and focused. For example, that giant mineral resource